Meaning of data protection.
Data protection.
Data protection.
Data protection.
Data protection. Data protection refers to the practice of safeguarding digital information from unauthorized access, corruption, and theft. This includes personal information such as names, addresses, phone numbers, credit card numbers, and other sensitive data. The goal of data protection is to ensure that data remains secure and confidential, and that it is only accessible by authorized individuals or systems. Failure to protect data can result in serious consequences such as identity theft, financial loss, and damage to reputation and trust. Therefore, it is crucial for individuals and organizations to take appropriate measures to protect their data.